Here comes the storm. Tornado warning to the northeast, Rostern, Wall Time area. Another thunder boomer coming in, lightning everywhere. Here, I close my hopper. Can't cut the peas. Ooh, there's a lightning. Because it's so humid out, so damp. They're just wet. I'm pushing dirt. Thinking that's gonna be north of us. It was over there. Have some land to the north. Hopefully there's no hail. Hail by Hafford in the last system that went up there. This is the second system going through. Yikes. Don't you start spinning. Don't you start spinning on me. That's what it was doing before. This is what it was doing before. Okay, I'm gonna close my hopper and I'm gonna roll mine. That's good. Just having my supper. Put my supper in there. Shield blew open. Where's my other glove? It's in my pocket. Oh, jeez. Okay, maybe I'll just hide in here. What the F? That's what those clouds were doing in my last tornado video. They just kind of appear out of nowhere. Yeah. I'm gonna make a run for the 70. Oh, geez, this is not choice before the rain comes. This is what it was doing last time. Does that little spin thing, and then it comes down, and then it goes back up, and then it comes back down again. Those clouds that appear out of nowhere, those little fluffs of cloud. Like that. It's messed up, man. That is messed up. Just trying to combine some peas. Doing so good. Like, just look at the activity going on. Weird stuff going there. That's the last cell or whatever that went through. If you look at the size, look at the size of that cloud over there. And then just a wall of rain coming to the northwest. Sunny to the south. There's the yard. Yard's over there. Oh, look how low that cloud is. Where did that come from? This is not good. Look at all this. Look at all this.
seems to be worse right here, like, you know that?
Well, I think the trees maybe
Yeah, but
protected it there.
But look, like all the way out, like that other end there. Like if this is all we got yet, it would be the end of the world. Like in these stems broken over, that's not going to affect the wheat.
No, because the seed's already there.
Yeah.
If you can get it.
Well, isn't that like a system? And we've never had hail up here, ever. I've been farming this for close to 40 years. And never had hail here.
Like there'd be a few inches there would have been a few inches of ice. Nothing?
John didn't get it either.
Just clipped us. Yeah, just the wind and rain.
Yeah.
Pushed this.
Oh, well, just more of a challenge.
Yep.
But there's no hail here.
No.
Exactly the same path as that other one.
Pretty bad. Canola got touched too. Wrecked a lot of pods. A lot of pods. Some are still intact. Oh, jeez. You can see the field looks white from all those open pods. You still got to combine it because that's all plant to get rid of. Like I think it's like that south quarter wasn't much, but like it must have went like this.
There's not much left here.
No.
No.
Just spent however many thousands spraying it.
Yep. Yeah, like a couple days. Just spent close to $20 an acre, right?
Yeah.
$6,000 here. I wonder what will happen with these heads. Even though there looks like there's heads, there's nothing in them.
They're all shelled out.
Yeah.
They're all on the ground.
Yeah.
A little bit in this one.
But I don't know what will happen. Like, I don't know what will happen to them. I've never had this before. Not at this time. Bet you that southeast corner over there is not even that bad.
Well, I'm hoping so.